When discussing shields, we typically think of the classic medieval shield. Take my triangular shield, for instance. It's medieval with the Judicato d'Arborea symbol, a classic shield example. This shield type straps to the arm, enabling a specific fighting style different from other shield types. Let's consider another famous shield, likely known worldwide, the Roman shield. This is a Roman shield, the classic legionnaire shield everyone pictures when thinking of the Roman army. As you can see, it's quite large and enveloping. The umbo serves to protect the hand of the shield bearer. In this case, you can see the shield can't be used with a harness, though in movies it's often shown strapped this way, with a band running across like this. In reality, the Roman shields we know from archaeological finds don't show any straps or harnesses for tying the shield. The main feature of the shield, at least for certain types with a central grip, is definitely the umbo. The umbo, which protects the hand in this Roman shield, is a very simple element. It has a concave area shielding the hand, a flat part to attach it to the shield, and generally includes a handle and nails to secure it. In fact, this object resembles a famous medieval item called the buckler. A buckler, regardless of size, is essentially an umbo with a handle behind it. If you add a wooden structure to this, you'll see it becomes a shield. This shield is actually the simplest version of a portable shield. The buckler is nothing more than a very small shield. It can be defined as an umbo with a handle. Its advantage, besides being tiny compared to my hand, is its portability. Unlike regular shields, like the arm-held one, the buckler shouldn't be kept close to the body. As you can see, it covers little of the person. Instead, it's used far from the body to block the opponent's line of sight and attack angles. Describing umbo shapes, they range from conical ones, like this neuralgic umbo, to flatter types with a slight concavity and minimal outer convexity, or even more pronounced umbos like the previous example. There are special cases too, such as Germanic or Mycenaean umbos, which sometimes have an extension ending in a small knob or point in this area. Notably, Scottish shields, like the famous Targe, have a central pointed protrusion. It's thought to have been used primarily to harm the opponent. Let's take this example.